Are you the perfect golf bag to take your game to the next level? Look no further. Here are the top 5 best golf bags on the market today. Whether you need a bag to carry your clubs or a bag to keep your gear organized, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Listen up. Golf stand bag for men. The Longchow Golf Club Carry Bag is a quality bag made to carry your clubs and accessories in style. The large 14-way top allows you to distribute the weight of your clubs and other accessories across the top of the bag. The 8 pockets allow you to organize your valuables better while still keeping them easily accessible. The straps are padded on their interior with a mesh material that prevents any type of damage to your clubs. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 40 pounds, it can easily support the weight of a complete set of clubs and accessories. The Golf Stand Bag is a premium quality golf bag built from Longchow's most durable and water-resistant materials. The Golf Stand Bag has a top with 14-way spread, or you can arrange your clubs any way you like. Everything should fit nicely. We also guarantee that this product will last many years if used properly by occasional travelers who want to keep their clubs having a good shape and keep them safe while playing golf. Listen to Licentim Golf Stand Bag. This Licentim golf bag is excellent for anyone who plays golf, as it can effectively prevent liquids from entering and ruining your equipment. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and requires only a little space to keep its components. This stand bag is designed with backpack-style shoulder strap to provide you with extra comfort. The multiple pockets are great for storing balls and other things that you need during the game. Licentim Golf Stand Bag is waterproof, tear-proof, and durable. It can resist liquid to permeate effectively. Its sturdiness can withstand additional wear and tear during use, providing you with a long-lasting lifetime. The bag has 4-way dividers, which facilitates multiple storage space for your golf clubs. It has 4 waterproof zippers pockets and 2 pockets that are especially designed to hold golf balls and other things. The side handles can be quickly carried and moved. List number Champkey Lightweight Golf Stand Bag. The Chicky Golf Stand Bag is the ideal bag for your everyday carry. This lightweight carry case has all of the same features as an actual golf bag, with 2 large storage pockets on the front and a large compartment on the back that can hold most clubs, shoes, and jackets. The materials used ensure that this stand bag will last you a long time while providing optimal efficiency. Designed for your convenience, this durable golf stand bag from Champkey features 2 side pockets to hold items such as tees, towels, and balls. Its stylish design makes it a must-have gadget for your golfing adventures. This Champkey golf stand bag is made with high-quality aluminum alloy and some plastic. The aluminum alloy frame and plastic base provide increased weight capacity and provide long-term durability for heavy-duty training or tournament use. List number Wilson NFL Golf Bag. The Wilson Golf Bag is designed to fit your clubs and accessories perfectly, keeping them in their proper place and out of the way. The bag has 14 full-length dividers, so you can keep all your gear separated by type. Plus, it helps facilitate easy transportation between the course and your home or hotel room. In addition, the durable polyester fabric makes it ideal for traveling with you or just hanging around until your next round. Durable polyester fabric ensures the bag will travel through weather and travel conditions without rips or tears. The base fits securely in a trolley or golf cart when stowed away, allowing for easy transportation between the course and home. It's equipped with ports for clubs and has a large storage area that can hold up to 6 clubs and 2 accessories. The bag also includes padded sidewalls, built-in divider pockets, dual drink holders, and more. List number Sun Mountain Men's 130S Stand Golf Bag. The Sun Mountain 130S Golf Bag is a top-of-the-line golf bag with its 10.5 inches top, way, and 15 separate club divider sections. It provides maximum space for your clubs and accessories. SM is a more affordable option to the ever-popular SM 2020 model and utilizes a newly redesigned platform with longer shafts and additional club dividers. The SM 2024 C130S stand golf bag features an improved top-weight design with 15 individual club dividers, dedicated putter tube, single strap, and full pocket access when mounted on a cart or stand. The bag features a single strap and pass-through design, making it easy to store. The golf bag's main compartment has 9 pockets, including a ventilated cooler pocket, glove pouch, and multiple accessory pockets, e.g. putter sleeve. An integrated cart strap pass-through allows full pocket access when the bag is on a cart.